Let's see how you can create your own AI customer service chatbot for your business very easily in a few minutes. So let's get started. So there are a few requirements over here. First of all, you need some business information which we fed into the AI, or you can use the frequently asked questions as well. And you also need an OpenAI account from which we get the API key. And here we will be using the Chatic Media platform to create the AI customer service chatbot. So as I mentioned, you don't need any kind of coding knowledge for this kind of to create the chatbot. So let's get started. First of all, you need to gather the business information. So it may be just a paragraph, or it may be a frequently asked question, or a combination of both. So in this example, I'm going to show how we can gather the information from this particular Dixit law firm. So we are going to create a customer service chatbot for this particular law firm. So this particular law firm also got the frequently asked questions as well. So we can get all these kind of data to train the chatbot, and also they have some data related in these kind of paragraphs as well. So I actually captured this kind of data and created into a Google document. So basically this is just a small introduction about this particular law firm, and here we have I have added those frequently asked questions as well. So as you see here, my data is a combination of frequently asked question and also some kind of paragraphs as well. So this is the data we are going to use for the AI customer service chatbot. And the next step is we have to get your OpenAI API key. So basically you can get your OpenAI API key from this particular website address, or platform.openai.com/account API keys, or you can simply get like this. So if you log into OpenAI, you will see window like this. Just click on personal and view API keys. So you will be shown the API keys you have. So if you don't have any API keys over here, you can simply create a new secret key, and once you have created, you will be shown this particular key over here. So make sure you copy this particular key and store in a safe place, because as you see here, you won't be able to view it again. So it will be hidden again. So once it's created, make sure to copy it because we will be using it in our Chatic Media platform. So the next step is to create an account on chaticmedia.com. So basically you can go to this particular website address, Chatic Media, sign up. So here there are different options for you. For testing purposes, you can simply start with a web chat. So click on continue over here. See here you can provide the name over here, and then you can sign up. So after that, once you have signed up to the account, you will see a window like this. So basically in this account I have connected a lot of channels over here. So that's why I'm seeing Messenger, Instagram, those kind of channels, but you will see just a blank window, but you will see these kind of things over here. So what you have to do is you have to simply connect the API key over here. So head over to settings over here, integrations, and here you can go to the OpenAI ChatGPT, and here it says already connected because I have already connected. So let me show another window for you guys. So this is another account. So when you go over there, you will see this kind of a window over here. So once you click connect, you just need to provide the API key over there. After that, once you have provided the API key and click continue, you will see something like this. So it's loading. So it will automatically select the best available model over here, and you can provide the business information over here. So this business information is coming from this particular document which I collected over there. So that is the business information over here. And after that, there are a few options as well. You can set the temperature, so you can keep as 0.3, that's fine. So that's it, and you simply click continue over here, and also make sure you switch on this default reply as well. So now there is also another small step over here. So head over to flows, and in the flows what you have to do is you have to create an action over here. So I have created the action over here. So OpenAI, it says so the action will be OpenAI. So if you in actions, you can find this OpenAI action. So that's what I have set up over here. So in the action, we can generate text completion, because this is a customer service chatbot and it selects the best model. You can put business, just put the business name over here. And here for the input text prompt, we have asking ChatGPT to create a warm welcome message and ask how we can help them. And remember the conversation, you can remember it. And we are also saving this particular response which is generated from ChatGPT to a variable field or custom user field. So we can simply display that to your customers as well. So that's it. So I have action, and after that I am actually displaying that particular message to the customers. So basically this is just a variable over here. So this is very easy. So basically if you want to add this variable, just open AI response, because this is the variable I am saving from here as well. So open AI response. So that's it. So just publish it. So now our chatbot is ready. So as I mentioned, we are creating the chatbot for this particular website. So let me go to this home page and copy this address over here, and let me grab a link for that, so that we can test live over there. So here if I go to tools over here, tools, you can use the bot simulator. Here we can get we are going to use the web chat website link, and more option we are going to choose that what we have set up over there. So that is a welcome Dixit law firm welcome message. And here we can put this orange color thing over here. So let me do that over here. So let me choose the orange, something like this, for the chat icon. Get the link. So I have created the link over here. So let me paste the link over here. So now the website actually looks like this. When I created this is a link, it actually looks like this. So here you can find the chat widget over here. So let's start talking to this, and we can actually start talking to this. So it says, hello and welcome to this law firm. How may I assist you? Are you in need of legal services or have question about the firm? Please feel free to let me know. I will do my best to help you. So let's ask what are their business hours, something like that. So it will respond based on the information in the frequently asked questions and the paragraph we submitted over there. So how to contact them? So as you see, this is working fine. So as it actually connects with the API, it will take just a few seconds, but it will work. So that is how it works. So let's go to frequently asked question over here and see what we can find. So who is the founder? Let's ask this question. Who is the founder? So it says when this founder exactly that particular person. So that is how you can easily create the chatbot and easily integrate into your website as well. So if you have any questions regarding this, let me know in the comments. Thank you.